it is a great time to learn and invest in the blockchain. The technology is new, potential for a large return is good. Don't know what crypto is or why it's different than money? Learn the definition and meaning, get some examples, also how to start mining with me now on a mobile device in this mini lesson. Cryptocurrency is an electronic store of value based on a blockchain consensus of transfer. Fiat money is legal tender created by the use of government force to store value. The blockchain consensus is trust in nodes' verifiable accounting. After a majority of nodes verify a transaction, a consensus is reached. Crypto mining is a standard where nodes verify for a set amount of tokens. Here are 3 examples. Bitcoin is created by nodes' electronic verification of transactions with computers, the standard that created cryptocurrency and blockchain. B Network is phone-based crypto mining that requires a check-in, currently in early development. Download the mobile app and use Netiquette as the invite code to start mining today, before it's too late. Venmo is an app based on fiat money from other sources. It works like a social network. You can Venmo me $1 at Netiquette with a message that appears in a public ledger similar to a social media post.